there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Kelsey by Envy in the color light brown. And towards the end of this video, I'm also going to show you what she looks like in the dark blonde for comparison. So Kelsey is really darling on. She reminds me a little bit of Sonoma by Renee of Paris, and I'll describe the differences again towards the end of the video. Before I do anything else, let me do a little turn for you so you can get a gist of what this wig is all about, and then we'll talk some specs. This one's so cute. Feels very short back here. So yeah, definitely a nice, short, quirky, interesting cut. And you can get a lot of texture and a lot of volume, particularly here on the sides if you want it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that because I'm sort of living for it right now. Maybe fluff up the back a little bit. Oh, this wig is so cute! All right, let me go ahead and take Kelsey off now so I can show you the cap construction. So Kelsey by Envy is a completely open cap wig. That's great. That means she's gonna be great for summer because she's gonna breathe like a champ. And this is also gonna help keep the price point down. We like that. So we've got big band of felt right here at the front hairline to keep the wig from slipping and sliding around. Generous little spade of permatease that kind of goes up the center and at the crown, so you get a little additional lift up there, which I think is very becoming on this style. Open wefts on the side, and in the back we have an extended open nape with bra adjusters back here and open ear tabs, which I love as someone who wears glasses on a regular basis, because you don't have to worry about putting the arm of your glasses over or under the ear tab. You can just kind of put it through. Hey! So yeah, that's sweet. These Envy wigs are fairly stretchy, which is great. And here's what that permatease looks like. As you can see, it goes kind of, I mean, it's all over the top, but most of it's up in the center portion and up near the crown. She reminds me a lot of like Sonoma from Renee of Paris, but I think that this one has a way more defined shape, particularly on the sides. You can definitely see that angle a lot more dramatically on Kelsey than you can on Sonoma. And I also feel like the fact that she's thinned out so much here in the front makes this one kind of easier to wear in a weird way, because most of that volume is up here on the sides as opposed to right here in your face. Anyhow, I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you'll check out our wig store if you get a chance. You know, we got this in all kinds of colors and lots of little cousin cuts if you want something interesting like this. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.